Welcome back to Faisal Khan, the channel where we break down powerful ideas, success principles, and life-changing strategies with clarity and purpose. Today's 2026 feature is titled Discipline Your Mind to Achieve Success. Everything else follows Faisal Khan, and in this deep review we explore its core message, structure, practical framework, and transformational features that make it a must-watch for anyone serious about personal growth in the United States and beyond. This 2026 release is not just another motivational talk. It is designed as a complete mindset system. The central concept is simple yet powerful. When the mind is disciplined, actions become consistent, habits become automatic, and success becomes predictable. Rather than focusing only on external rewards like money, status, or recognition, this program emphasizes internal mastery. The review highlights how the message is structured like a blueprint, starting from awareness, moving into control, and ending in sustained achievement. One of the strongest features of this 2026 edition is clarity of message. It breaks down mental discipline into understandable components. First comes awareness, recognizing negative thought patterns, distractions, and excuses. Then comes control, learning how to redirect focus and manage emotional reactions. Finally comes repetition, building daily habits that align with long-term goals. The content explains that success is not an event but a process powered by daily discipline. In terms of specs, this motivational feature is built around practical application rather than abstract theory. It includes structured steps such as setting clear goals, eliminating mental clutter, developing a strong morning routine, and training the brain to prioritize long-term gains over short-term comfort. The framework is simple enough for beginners yet powerful enough for experienced self-improvement followers. The pacing keeps the audience engaged while delivering high-value insights in every segment. Another important feature is its focus on responsibility. Instead of blaming circumstances, economy, or background, the message pushes personal accountability. It emphasizes that no matter where you start, the discipline of your mind determines where you finish. This is especially relevant for viewers in the United States, where opportunities exist but competition is intense. The content reinforces the idea that mental strength separates those who dream from those who achieve. The performance quality of this 2026 feature stands out because it combines emotional motivation with logical strategy. It does not rely only on high-energy inspiration. It explains why discipline works from a psychological perspective. The brain naturally seeks comfort and avoids pain, but success requires reversing that instinct. Training yourself to do difficult tasks consistently builds mental toughness. Over time, what once felt hard becomes normal. That shift is the true sign of growth. Another strong specification is consistency training. The message explains that discipline is not about being perfect every day. It is about showing up even when motivation disappears. Motivation is temporary, but discipline is permanent. By creating systems instead of depending on feelings, individuals can maintain progress even during stress, fatigue, or setbacks. This practical approach makes the program relatable to students, professionals, entrepreneurs, and creators alike. The feature also discusses distraction management in the modern world. With social media, entertainment, and constant notifications competing for attention, focus has become rare. The review explains how the program teaches viewers to protect their time and energy. limiting unnecessary input, setting boundaries, and scheduling focused work sessions are presented as key tools for building a disciplined mind. Another highlight is emotional control. Success is not only about productivity but also about managing frustration, fear, and doubt. The 2026 message explains that emotions should be acknowledged but not allowed to control decisions. Developing calm thinking during challenges prevents impulsive mistakes. This emotional discipline strengthens leadership qualities and builds confidence over time. The content also introduces the concept of identity transformation. Instead of saying "I want to be successful," it encourages viewers to become disciplined individuals first. When identity changes, behavior follows naturally. A disciplined person does not negotiate with excuses. They follow their routine whether they feel inspired or not. This identity shift is presented as the ultimate feature of the system. From a structural standpoint, the flow moves smoothly from mindset foundation to practical execution. The message reinforces repetition, patience, and long-term thinking. It reminds viewers that overnight success is rare, but steady discipline creates unstoppable momentum. Every small daily action compounds into significant results. The 2026 edition also emphasizes resilience. Setbacks are inevitable, but quitting is optional. Mental discipline allows individuals to learn from failure rather than collapse under it. The program explains that challenges are not signs to stop but signals to adjust strategy and continue forward. This mindset builds endurance, which is essential for achieving meaningful goals. What makes this feature stand out on Faizal Khan is its balance between inspiration and instruction. It motivates while also teaching specific habits such as journaling, goal tracking, time blocking, and self-reflection. These tools transform motivation into measurable progress. In conclusion, discipline your mind to achieve success. Everything else follows. Faizal Khan is a powerful 2026 motivational review of how structured thinking, emotional control, and daily habits combine to create long-term achievement. It reinforces that success is not random. It is the natural result of disciplined thought patterns repeated consistently over time. When the mind is trained, actions align. When actions align, results follow. And when results follow, confidence grows stronger with each step. If you found value in this deep review and want more powerful success breakdowns like this, make sure to subscribe to Faizal Khan and stay connected for more life-changing content designed to elevate your mindset and transform your future.